we have the Anvil Asgard. It's in my opinion one of the best all-purpose solo vehicles in the game. It's got really good armor and weaponry, meaning it can hold its own in a fight, though it's not exactly a dogfighter lacking in maneuverability. Its in-universe purpose is to carry ground vehicles down into active combat zones, meaning it's got a good sized cargo hold and can sustain being shot for a decent length of time. Anyway, I'll leave you with this last walk around and then we'll get into the review fully. I hope you enjoyed the little cinematic intro there of the Asgard. It really is a good looking ship. I've had this ship literally since it came out and I've had no problems. It's got great firepower, which we'll get onto later. It's got very good armor, so it's really survivable, and as you've seen in the intro, I have it in the amazing Best in Show skin. Just in the background here, you can see the components. I've clicked open all doors in the interior before recording this, so I didn't have to go through and open all the component boxes. There are 3 entrances to the Asgard. You have the main back ramp and these 2 side doors. The side doors, you can open the back ramp also. And the side doors also have 2 turrets on each side. Just thought I'd shut up a sec so you could hear the gun firing. I'll do that as best I can through the different door animations and the engine sounds later on too. Here's the other door. I'm not going to open it because it's exactly the same. There's 2 accessible storage lockers either side of this main doorway. So it's pretty symmetrical on both sides. You go through left and right and there's this small connecting tunnel here. And then here's the animation for some of these component doors. It has 2 drop seats in the engineering area. The engineering terminal is located here. I have honestly no idea what this beeping sound is. I couldn't stop it. Do let me know if you know, but it's only a thing I've noticed recently. And again, more component doors. And then this is the back room with the turret access. I'll shut up so you can hear and listen to the animation. So it's a bottom facing turret. You can see pretty much completely surround the bottom of the ship. Get into the specifics closer to the end, but I do believe from memory those are 2 size 4s, so it's a pretty decent weapon. And then we're just going back through. And now we'll move on to the upstairs, accessed through the ladder. It's where the living area and cockpit is located of the ship. There's the door sounds and animations. I'm not too sure what happened. Looking for interactable buttons in the bathroom. Here's the double bed. 2 little screens on the bottom for you to watch while you're in bed. Here's the, I think is a small kitchen area and suit lockers. And those are weapon storage there. Remember to go down. And we have the cockpit here with the fire extinguisher. And now we'll just sit down so you can see the cockpit view, all the MFDs. So here I did have a weird glitch with the engines not starting, so I needed to fiddle with the power a little bit. It does give you a good view of the MFDs and all like scrolling through and seeing what they're like. The power management screen. It'll be the same in any Anvil ship, really. So it's primarily just sort of the layout. And here is the engine sounds from the outside. There you go, sounds absolutely amazing. There's the landing gear. I don't showcase that very well, but it's just landing gear. And then here is I would say one of the coolest looking parts of this ship is the VTOL engines, the same as the Valkyrie, I believe. And this is the cockpit view. Decent visibility. Honestly, it's not the best. Like, you can't see anything to your front lower portion. And you have those big bars blocking either way. The amazing firepower the pilot gets control of. The pilot gets access to 6 size 3 laser repeaters. Also, it comes with 16 size 3 missiles mounted on the top there at the missile pod on the roof. Turret, 2 size 4 laser gaslings for the turret on the bottom. In the cargo bay, it can carry 180 SCUs of cargo. It's also capable of carrying any current ground vehicles in the game. The top speed is 207 meters per second. It's got a maximum nav mode speed 1075 meters per second. It comes with 4 size 2 shield generators, 3 size 2 coolers, 2 size 2 power plants. The Anvil Asgard costs $350 on the pledge store, or 17,800,000 in game to buy. That's about it for the Asgard. Let me know if you have any questions below, and let me know what you think of the ship.